Hello all, myself Jalpa Gawa and today I am going to talk about very important organ of our body, that is heart. I use point important here because it starts working from the time of our birth and it will work, or I would say till the time it will work we are living. So today we are going to see its structure and its importance. Blood, the very important liquid of our body which carries oxygen and carbon dioxide in our body, it is all because of this organ heart. If we talk about the external structure of heart, then heart is conical in shape. It is slightly located towards left and it is located in the chest region. If we talk about the internal structure of heart, then heart consists of 4 chambers. The upper one are called as right atrium and the lower one are called as ventricle, and respectively on whatever side there are, that is if they are on the right side they are called as right atrium, right ventricle. If they are on left side they are called as left atrium, left ventricle. All the 4 chambers of heart are separated by a wall called as septum. If we talk about how the heart works, then we would say that the deoxygenated blood from entire body is collected by specialized vessels called as vena cava and it is poured into right atrium. From right atrium the blood goes into right ventricle by opening of a valve called as tricuspid valve. This was about the deoxygenation processes. From right ventricle the blood is transferred into lungs. So here we would say that blood has been removed from heart. Inside the lungs the blood will get oxygenated and it will again come back to the heart. It will come inside the portion of heart which is called as left atrium. From left atrium the blood will enter into the left ventricle by opening of a valve called as bicuspid valve. From left ventricle the blood is transferred into entire body with the vessel called as aorta, which we can see if we rotate the structure of heart. On the back portion of the heart we are able to see the aorta which is taking blood to entire body. Aorta is a major vessel. Again if we come back to the front portion, here I would like to say that the blood comes twice inside the heart. First, the deoxygenated from entire body to heart, again from heart to lungs and again from lungs to heart. So the entire portion of blood comes twice inside heart and this is called as double circulation. If we talk about the importance of double circulation, it is required to maintain the total internal temperature of warm-blooded animals like us. This is all about the basic structure of human heart. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all. Hello all, myself Jalpa Gawa and today I am going to talk about very important organ of our body, that is heart.